Hello, welcome to this video. I will be going through what FreeTouchDeck Configurator Standalone or Standalone FreeTouchDeck Configurator or whatever you may want to call it is, and how to use it, what it does, and so on. So this is a project I started last weekend. What we wanted to do was to create a visual configurator for FreeTouchDeck. If you don't know what FreeTouchDeck is, it's a project from Dustin Watts. It's a open source project to create a Stream Deck alternative for free. So DIY version of that. You can go to his project and look at what it is. And this project, what I'm going to talk about today, is a configurator. FreeTouchDeck already comes with its own configurator, which basically works, which does all you need to do. But the goal of this project is to have more user-friendly visual kind of interface for that. So as I said, I started working on this last weekend, and I have kind of completed all the MVP functionalities. It's live. It's in my GitHub repository. Name is FTD-Config-SD. You can run the application here, ftd.anilmaharjan.com.np, which is my website with subdomain FTD. So if you go to that site, what you'll see is this warning, which is not that nice. But the problem right now is FTD doesn't run its web server in HTTPS. So our client also needs to be on HTTP. So the pages we deploy are usually run with HTTPS if it's available. So Chrome does that automatically. So even if you go to HTTP you will land on HTTPS if that server offers you that. So right now that's what's happening. If I click this, it still takes me to HTTPS. So for Chrome, all other browser doesn't do that, so you're good with that. If you're using Chrome, just go there, manually remove S from HTTP, press enter. So this is how it would look like for you if you're visiting this page for the first time. There are some out of the box configuration you can use, but mostly they are just useless. You would want to customize them for your need. So this is how it looks like when you first go to this page. Let's start with basic settings. The reason why menus are here is because this is what you will be changing most of the time, but you would want to start with settings if you're doing this for the first time. This all configuration is also available on FreeTouchDeck's default configurator. But fun thing here is you can change these colors as you want here. So say red and pink, and I will leave the background color to black. I'll leave rest of the settings as is. You'll see that it is saving the settings. I have my FreeTouchDeck on station mode, so it's connected to my Wi-Fi and is accepting these requests from my configurator. So it has saved the configuration. So if I go back to menu, this is what I wanted to show. Whatever you set here, these colors are also visible here. So you have this visual feedback of what it would look like in the end on your device. So we chose pink inside the activity buttons, and for home buttons it was red, and the background was black. So even background, we just set it to black. We could have changed it to dark blue, and that would also reflect here. So that's a visual part. So another is Wi-Fi settings. So my FreeTouchDeck is already set with my Wi-Fi and all, but yeah, this is where you would set them if it's not done for yours. So if I do that, it also does save it. Now let's go to menus. So how you would configure your home screen is here you see edit home. You can click here, and then once you do that, you have these icon selectors for every button. So for example, for media, I would like to change it to this play button, play icon. For OBS, I want say dislike, and so on. So if I save that, now it says already it's saved. So just remember, we have media with play button icon and OBS with dislike button. So once done, we just go to home page. Now you see the configuration is there. You can click on each button to see further menus within them. So say OBS has these buttons. I want to change this to clipboard. Say save. That's how you would save the activity buttons. You could change not just icon but also the actions, so you can select from whatever configuration you want and save it and save it. So that's how you would save your buttons and configurations. So now let's move on to the last feature, which is managing your icons. So icon management is quite tedious. With this tool, you have one place to manage your icons. So whatever icons you use there are here. Thing is, you can remove ones you don't like, but make sure that once you remove them, you also do not use them on your configuration. So here you can add all the icons that is offered by MD Material Design. So Material Design icons, you can go to this website pictogrammers.com/library/MDI, and you can find any icon you would like. Say alien is what I would like to use in my FTD. I would go back to my site and search for alien. Once I press that enter, that means add icon. You already see alien here. So let's just use that icon. But one thing is, if I use that icon, it will not work. But anyway, I will change my Chrome icon to alien icon. So I will use that. So I can show you what happens with that. Thing is, you can see that already here. You can you can update your FreeTouchDeck. You have all your configurations saved. Only problem is you won't see this icon until you upload them to your file system. So the way to upload these icons is also quite easy. So on here you'll see download icons as zip, which means only icons that you see here will be downloaded as a zip file once you click that button. So here icons.zip file has been downloaded. If you open that, you will see all the icons that we are using in our project. So alien.bmp is also there. That means now you're just one step away from having all your icons on your FreeTouchDeck. What you will do is you move these icons folder to your data folder and then just upload it, however you do that with your project. And once that's done, your FTD will be able to show you all those icons. So I will show you what it looks like now on my FreeTouchDeck. So here is my FreeTouchDeck. Let's press reload. And as you see, these icons have changed. The color scheme is what we have selected on the configurator. So the action icon we changed there is changed. And you see those question marks. These are the icons that are not found. So the alien icon that we selected is not found. So it's showing that question mark there. So let's look at how I would upload my icons to FTD so that we can see the alien icon that we used on our FreeTouchDeck. So what I'll do is I will select all the icons in the zip extracted folder. I would drag it to the data folder in my FreeTouchDeck project inside this logos directory. So the directory was empty. Now I have only one. I didn't select all. I'll just move all of them into this directory, replace. So now I have logos directory filled with all the icons, and then I have rest of the configurations there. So that's my data directory. I use platform IO, so I have to open my platform IO and then build my file system image and then upload file system image to the FreeTouchDeck. Let's click on upload file system image. It's connecting. Now it's uploading the file to the flash. Okay, seems like it's uploaded. Now let's go back to FreeTouchDeck and see what happened. Hey, look at our alien icon. And the rest also look like works. Cool.